Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss and teach you on how to display the current date and time using Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you so much now for your support, always supporting, watching my videos, silent viewers. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Sa mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino, maraming salamat po kababayan sa panonood nyo sa channel ko. Sana po wag po kayong magsawa sa pagsuporta at sa pag-share, no, at pag-like, pag-comment sa channel ko, no. So alam nyo naman, every comment counts, no. Nagre-reply talaga ako, no. So sana po wag kayong magsawa, no. Maraming salamat po. Sana po marami kayong natutunan sa channel ko. Okay, so before we continue, no, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, so let's begin, no. So I have here a form and then I put a label here. Now we double click the form and then in the form load, I'm just simply put write label 1.caption equals now. The now is a built-in function in Visual Basic 6 to display the current date and time. So when I click the play button, it will display, you know, February 9, 2023, 7:32 a.m. Okay, so it is being get, no, to the CMOS, no, battery, no, or the date in our laptop, no. Okay guys, so I guess this is a very short video, no, that shows the capability of Microsoft Visual Basic 6 to display the current date and time. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code if you want to, or you may type, no, in my two websites for free, no. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.